Hey everyone, welcome back to Clash of Compare. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with a review of the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven. This oven is considered one of the best on the market, perfect for anyone who loves making authentic, wood-fired pizzas right in their backyard. Let's explore what makes the Ooni Karu 16 a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. First up, let's talk about design and build quality. The Ooni Karu 16 is built to last, featuring high-quality stainless steel construction that's both durable and sleek. The compact yet sturdy design makes it easy to transport, while the stylish matte black finish ensures it looks great in any outdoor setting. This oven is designed not only to perform well, but also to be a centerpiece of your outdoor kitchen. Now, onto the cooking performance, which is where the Ooni Karu 16 truly excels. This oven heats up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes, allowing you to cook a perfectly crispy pizza in just 60 seconds. Whether you prefer using wood, charcoal, or gas, this multi-fuel oven gives you the flexibility to cook your way. The insulated steel shell and thick stone baking board ensure even heat distribution, resulting in restaurant-quality pizzas every time. What really sets the Ooni Karu 16 apart are its advanced features. It includes a large cooking surface, an optimized airflow system for better fuel efficiency, and a built-in digital thermometer for precise temperature control. The oven door features a full glass viewing window, allowing you to monitor your pizza without losing heat. These features combine to give you complete control over your cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. Despite its impressive performance, the Ooni Karu 16 is surprisingly portable. It's lightweight enough to take on camping trips or tailgate parties, yet robust enough for permanent placement in your backyard. Setup is straightforward, and cleaning is a breeze thanks to its stainless steel body and removable components. Whether you're a pizza pro or a beginner, this oven makes it easy to achieve professional results. Now, let's talk about the price. The Ooni Karu 16 is definitely an investment, but it offers exceptional value for what you get. The combination of high-end materials, versatile fuel options, and superior cooking performance make it worth every penny. If you're serious about outdoor cooking and want the best of the best, the Ooni Karu 16 is a no-brainer. In conclusion, the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven is the ultimate tool for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its superior design, unmatched performance, and advanced features make it the top choice for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking game. If you're ready to make restaurant-quality pizzas at home, check out the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching Clash of Compare. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and comparisons. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.